was the last chore I had to do. Let's go camping. It just started raining as I drove out of Walmart. I have the best luck.
Swing and a miss. Struck. Want to know the count. Aaronola, who got his first beat to straightaway center here.
Swung on, hit high deep, center field. Crawford back, looking up, and gone. And the Cubs lead this one 4-0.
They say there's a thin line between love and hate, and I've never felt that more than being a Phillies fan. What are we doing? That's a pretty good campsite view. It's definitely windier than I hoped, so maybe it'll die down and then we can have a fire. Because right now I'm not sure if that would be okay. Wood. The wind has died down quite a bit, but I am going to wait just a little bit longer before lighting a fire. I'm going to start dinner instead, just to be safe. Also, we might just get a good sunset. I'm actually going to go 65% we're going to have a good one because it's looking promising. Cheers to my Phillies losing, but at least we get a beautiful campsite as a consolation prize. The best burgers are the messiest. I was in the grocery store today, and I think we've officially lost the plot because protein soda exists. This is a mini rant. Okay, I know protein is very important. I'm a vegetarian. I've thought about it my whole life. But protein soda, like this meal, which is just 2 black bean burgers with cheese, this is 44 grams of protein. And I just think maybe we're overcomplicating getting protein. Like, protein is so important, but if this is 44 grams and I'm a vegetarian, I don't think we need to be drinking protein soda. There's so many things you can put protein in, and I just do not understand protein soda. I did end up getting the Amazon rechargeable batteries, so whenever I go into work and edit at a coffee shop or Panera or things like that, I'll bring these in and just charge them up while I'm editing, so now I have to put them all back in. 1, 2, 3, 4. I did arms yesterday at the gym, and they hurt. I swear there's more Harry Potter themed things now than when I was growing up, and so sometimes I give in and I buy Harry Potter gummies. Gotta open the Slytherins one first because I'm a Slytherin. What the fuck is that? Golden snitch. Makes me feel like a kid again. Take me out to the ball game. Take me out to the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and Cracker Jacks. I really don't need the sleeping bag anymore, but we're not changing it out tonight, so I'm just not gonna zip it up. Ugh. I'll see you guys in the morning. Maybe I'll wake up for sunrise, but I think it's gonna be pretty cloudy, so we shall see. But good night. Good morning. I woke up for sunrise and it was raining, so I went back to sleep, and now it's 8 o'clock, and now we're gonna get up, and it might still be raining. Gonna get changed quick. I'll be right back. Whee! I feel like I'm gonna have to take my allergy meds today. I finally got a collapsible pour over. I've had a ceramic one for my entire 8 years of living in this car, and I have managed not to break it, which is honestly really impressive, but I figured a collapsible one just makes more sense. I don't have to worry about it breaking. I can take it backpacking. It's more durable. It just makes sense. So I gave my ceramic one to a friend who's been enjoying it. Cheers. I used to always make my coffee like this before I knew that stovetop espresso makers existed. I would just make a cup of coffee and then froth milk, put it in and call it a latte. And sometimes I still just like to do that. Also because currently I have a very dark roast espresso that I do not like. I'm gonna drink it eventually, but I just was craving something a little less robust today, flavor-wise. I thought about having a morning fire because I do have a lot of wood left, but the wind keeps picking up, and this season, especially spring to summer, it's been really dry. I just don't want to risk anything, so I really only have fires during this time if it's very calm outside.
I wish you don't do like I do. Never fall in love with someone like you. I guess I wish you all the best. What's a girl gonna do when she's in love with you? But you're just a boy and I'm kind of the man. My best friend, my shoulder to lean on, but you pushed me out quicker than it took me to put my jeans on. Goodbye from the bigger man. Bye
This is one of the more popular places, so I'm not surprised it's super busy. It's also incredibly windy, but I saw a lot of flowers, so I'm very excited to do this hike. I didn't feel like fighting my hair against the wind, so I solemnly swear that I am up to no good.
No wonder my allergies were acting up. There's so much pollen in the air. There's so many flowers. It's so pretty. I've had this place saved in my Google Maps for years, and I feel like I picked the best time to come for wildflowers. I'm so happy I can finally check it off the list. It's a really easy hike, but it's just so pretty. Something truly magical about wildflower season. I feel like I'm in a fairy tale.